Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this McKillan swivel pressure washer gun and these quick disconnects. These are made by Twinkle Star. So these will fit on this one right here. So if you put this on the end of your hose, that will fit. Now this pressure washer gun comes with this installed already. It does come with this Teflon tape, but that's a swivel you see right there. But also if you put this on the end of your pressure washer hose, you can attach it right there. Now it does come with this other in here that you can attach. You got to attach, so it comes with two of these, each one of these. Now these are the same thread. So this here I can thread onto this. And that will tighten down. There's wrenching flats on both of them. Yeah, this is a really nice gun. You can lock it, prevent it from shooting water, high pressure. 3,000 PSI's max, 140 degrees, and 2.6 gallons per minute. Now these say max 5,000 PSI and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So with them together, overall, looks like it's going to add about 2 inches to the length of the hose. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.